fugitive high school to the Philippines. So that is what they are doing. We are already finalizing the arrangements for the return of high school back to the Philippines today.
Sir, identified na po kung sino yung masisibak? Masisibak, sir.
Oh, you'll find out soon enough.
Sir, may number na ba tayo sa personal po? Ilan po yung masisibak, sir?
And if all of those who are implicated in the in assisting Ali School to leave the Philippines illegally as a fugitive from justice will certainly pay the price. Not only will they, ang tanong nyo, sino yung sisibakin? Hindi lang namin sila sisibakin, kakasuhan pa namin sila. Dahil ang kanilang ginawa ay labag sa batas at against all of the interests of the Philippine judicial system. Okay?
Mr. President, kahapon po nag-trending yung nasaan ang Pangulo. And
Nasaan?
Nasaan ang Pangulo? Umikot po yung mga sabi-sabi na kayo daw po ay na-hospital, may sakit.
Nandito.
How is your state of health, sir?
Because lumabas yung yung report. Yan ang kailangan ninyong bantayan. Do I look sick? Yan ang kailangan natin bantayan. Mga fake news talaga. Huwag kayong naniniwala unless it comes from a credible source. Tama, ang dami kong kaibigan tumawag sa akin, okay ka ba? Okay ka ba? Wala, kalukuhan lang yan.
You were in the palace sa bahay niyo kahapon, sir.
I was in the most of the day, yes. I had a meeting in the morning. I had a command conference with some of our commanders. And I spent the rest of the day reading my briefs and doing paperwork. Nagulat lang ako when they said that there was a medical emergency.
Medical emergency. Sir, which is why we are asking you directly. Kaya po,
Yeah, well, it's totally and completely fake. I do not even have a cold. I do not have anything wrong with me. I'm fine. Thank you for your concern.
Thank you, sir. Salamat, sir.
salamat, sir.
Tuloy yung area.